Welcome to PTI BetterGradesFast.com multimedia tutorials. Today we're looking at reports, the report. And we said that reports are about facts, about selecting the facts from an incident or an accident or whatever occurrence. And we've got to the point of planning our report. In your workbook, this beautiful thing right here, we looked at an accident that happened to Larry Briscoe. And we read through and we underlined all the facts. And now we're going to plan our report by selecting the facts. So, like any essay, we have planning as an important step. So, we're going to use our mind map. Center of the spider is the accident. Of Larry Briscoe, of Larry B. Okay, let's go back to our conversation between Amar and John and see what we discovered. Do we have a date and time of and place of the accident? Yes, we do. So on our mind map, let's write it down. The accident occurred on 10th of April. Okay, what time did it occur? At 3 p.m. Approximately 3 p.m. It mightn't be at 3 p.m. exactly. Where did it happen? It happened at the corner or intersection of Queen and Mary Streets. These are the facts. We can go back and we can test it. We can see if there's broken glass there. We can see if there's tire marks. We can check the police report. I'm sure we'd find evidence to support that. So we have the date, time, place of the accident. Who was involved? Well, poor Larry. Larry, who is a 15-year-old student, from Coquerico High School. Am I spelling Coquerico right? No. Coquerico High School. So we have the person involved in the accident. What else? Well, we have who hit poor Larry. It was a Volvo, a very expensive car. And we actually have license number, PDD 403. That was the person who knocked poor Larry down. What happened to Larry? Okay, fell off his bike. Well, actually, he was thrown off his bike. He went flying through the air. He was thrown off his bicycle, and fell hard. Not an opinion, let's stick with the facts. And he fell. He suffered injuries, broken hand or fractured hand. So we just simply say he suffered injuries and he's at hospital. So let's see what happened. In our planning, we have picked out the significant facts of the report and we have written them down. Our next step will be writing our report, having planned it. Stay tuned. Thank you for choosing PTI BetterGradesFast.